Hey you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a hot minute, but your girl is back, so no worries about that. If you're new, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below, and if you like this kind of video, give it a thumbs up. But yeah, I am here today to just review Breahni's hair products. She was gracious enough to send me almost her whole line. I have the curl defining cream, the healthy hair oil, the light styling gel, and the moisture milk. I'm not really gonna talk a lot because you guys can see that this hair is popping. If you want to see how I got this hair and all that kind of stuff, definitely keep watching. Also, if you are not already following me, follow me on Instagram, and yeah, I will see you guys soon. So I'm starting this style on freshly washed hair. I have sectioned off my hair. I have one section, 2, 3, 4, 5. So next I'm just going to go ahead and add the products. To be honest, I don't usually use two styling products. So I don't usually use a milk and a curl defining cream. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to try it out and see how it works. So I'm going to use about this much of the curl defining cream. And then next I'm going to go ahead and add the moisture milk. I'm going to add about this much, or a little bit more actually. Already you can see that this product is really defining my curls. Look at that. And I have no gel or anything in my hair. What? So I'm gonna add I'm adding the gel. All over this big section. And then I'm gonna start twisting it up. Comment down below how your guys' hot girl summer went. I am definitely gonna miss this summer. This was by far my most memorable summer. Yeah, I mean, your girl definitely had a whole lot of fun with myself and with my girls, so I'm really happy about that. But I really want to hear how your guys' hot girl summer went. I'm just adding a little bit more gel, you guys. I really should have done a wash and go. But I'll do that next video. Just gonna go ahead and detangle. Okay, so my hair is all twisted up. I'll give you guys a 360. That's how it's looking. I am gonna go ahead and sit under the hooded dryer because I have to wake up really early tomorrow, and I know this is not gonna dry in like 12 hours. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and sit under the dryer for about an hour, and then I will come back tomorrow, hopefully, so you guys can see how it turned out. But I'm really excited to show you guys the final product. I'm really excited to see the final product because the way my hair is looking and feeling right now, it's super shiny, super moisturized. Like, I am here for it. I cannot wait to do a wash and go with with these products. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Toodles. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm ready to take down these twists. I'm really praying that they're dry, but I'm just gonna take off my bonnet. I did have to go out earlier, so I have my twist in a little bun. I'm just gonna take that out. So this is how my twists are looking in. And to minimize any sort of frizz and tangles, when I'm taking my twist down, I'm just going to be using the Breahni Healthy Hair Oil. It says it's to nourish and restore. It's lightweight and hydrating, adds long-term moisture, smooths frizz, and adds shine. So that's exactly what I want for my twist out. This one already doesn't feel dry, but whatever. We're just gonna go with the flow today, okay? Okay, so we got a little bit of definition there. Because some of them aren't dry, I probably will go back in with my blow dryer and then just dry them up a little bit. But we got some decent definition, I will say. Look at that little cute coil. I am super happy. I haven't done a twist out in forever. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a little bit more of the oil, put that in my hands, and smooth out even more. I'm a sucker for smooth, shiny hair. Next, I really do want to stretch this just a little bit. So before I start separating and everything like that, I am going to take my blow dryer and just stretch my roots a little bit so that I have a little bit more length to work with. So I'll be right back. Okay, so as you can see, it's not anything drastic, but you do see quite a bit of a difference after I've stretched. So I'm gonna go ahead and unravel this side. Well, I should say separate this side where my hair naturally separates. So, I mean, I feel like I don't even have to say anything. My hair is popping. These curls are popping. My hair feels super duper lightweight. I am here for Breahni products. This is honestly, before she reached out to me, this is my first time even hearing about them, but I would personally buy these products myself. Like 100%. I would put all of my family members on this because I'm in love. Like, I am in love. I'm just gonna, before I pick my hair out, I'm gonna go to the back again and just do a little bit more stretching and shaping with my blow dryer. But yeah, you guys, I mean, this is beautiful. These results are so beautiful. So if you don't already know me, I love me some big hair. So I'm just gonna go and start picking out my roots. Yes, we are here for this hair though. You need to finish the look. So be right back. I'm just gonna lay these edges and we'll have the final product. Okay, so edges are laid and slayed, and moral of the story is I am all the way here for Breahni hair products. I honestly, right now, these are my favorite hair products. I haven't done my hair in so long. I haven't really been, my hair hasn't really been working with products. I don't know what it is. I know like I have a lot going on, so maybe I'm just stressed myself, but I don't know what it is, you guys, but this hair right here is just giving me all kinds of vibes. It's giving me life. I am super happy. I feel super cute with this hair. Thank you so much to Breahni for sending me these products. I'm not lying, you guys. You need to go out and buy them because I am definitely sold. If you like this content, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below if you want to see some more videos. But yeah, for now, I am definitely going out somewhere because I need to be seen. Like, if I have to go, I don't even know. If I go take out the garbage, if I have to, like, I don't even know what I have to do, but I'm going out looking like this because it's so necessary. Like, I need to be seen. I need to be seen looking like this. That's on period. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Toodles.